Hello everyone, my name is Murugan. I'm the executive chef for the Mozambique Jumeirah Lake Towers and also for the Riva Beach Club. And I'm in this industry for over 26 years, and particularly in this region, 23 years. I will call this as my second home. Maybe even I can call as a first home. It's such a long time. And I'm going to show black cod poached with the butter and beluga caviar. Using the Nestle ingredients, Nestle cream and chicken stock and vegetable stock.